Look at her wiggle and jiggle. 35-mile-per-hour gust, baby. That's it right there. Yeah. Look at the shade spot it's giving me to work on, man. 100 degree today. 100 degrees. Right here. Not so much. Nice and shady, baby. Oh, take a look from the inside. That's that Subco TradeFox.com. Yes, sir. You gotta get you one, man. It's well worth it if you're working outside in these blazing heats. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Y'all have a good day HVACing, doing whatever you're doing. Drop a comment below. Tell me what you did today.